What's up everybody, welcome to another camera comparison video. Today I have this Oppo Find X8 Pro and Vivo X200 Pro. Well, I have also done some other camera comparisons like Oppo Find X8 and Vivo X200 Pro Mini. Yeah, I have already uploaded this my camera comparison on my another YouTube channel. I have left the link in the description box. I also happen to have almost all the flagship smartphones in this studio. So if you want me to do a camera comparison of this Oppo Find X8 Pro with another flagship smartphone, then please comment in the comment section. Let me know which other camera comparison videos you would like to watch. Well, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you may already know that I'm working on a very big camera comparison. I'm comparing Vivo X50 Pro Plus to Vivo X200 Pro, all the Vivo X series flagship smartphones. So if you are interested in that video, stay tuned. Well, before we start this camera comparison between Oppo Find X8 Pro and Vivo X200 Pro, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, at the beginning, let me be very clear. As we all know, smartphones don't always nail it under tricky lighting, especially when it comes to getting skin tones and colors right. So we pushed these two flagships to their limits with a tough scenario. We have added a fluorescent lamp to make it even more difficult. Okay, while many other flagships stumbled on this set to get the details like the lipstick shade and the skin tone correct, Oppo and Vivo came out on top. So let's begin the battle of the camera monsters. Okay, when it comes to portrait photography, both Vivo X200 Pro and Oppo Find X8 Pro stands out with great detail, making the images crisp and vibrant. Skin tone reproduction is accurate on both, and there's a good balance between the subject and background. Vivo tends to lean toward extra sharpness, which can sometimes appear a bit too aggressive, while Oppo keeps the sharpness more balanced, closer to reality, producing an even and natural white balance. Vivo, meanwhile, shines in controlling shadows and contrast, offering a more nuanced and deeper image, so it performs well even under harsh lighting. Both phones create a creamy, synthetic bokeh effect that blurs the background smoothly. Edge detection is strong on both, though subject isolation could still see improvement, especially in more complex scenes like this one. For selfie portraits, subject isolation on both the Vivo X200 Pro and Oppo Find X8 Pro needs a bit of an improvement. Actually, both the phones capture plenty of detail and texture, resulting in sharp portraits. This time, Vivo balances shadows and highlights better, while Oppo has superior color rendition and skin tones. However, neither phone achieves accurate white balance. Somehow, Vivo is a bit warmer, Oppo is a bit cooler. Yeah, it's down to personal taste. I like the one on the left, but here, the model in these shots prefer the one on the right. Which one do you like? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, if you are like Thea, you might enjoy the beauty mode. With beauty mode on, there are many options to explore, but it smooths her facial features so much she looks like a kid. Interestingly, everything else in the photo remains sharp with plenty of detail in other areas. What's up everybody, welcome to another camera comparison video. Today I have this Oppo Find X8 Pro and Vivo X200 Pro. Well, listen carefully, watch carefully, and then let me know in the comment section which smartphone selfie camera has performed better. Both of these two smartphones support 4K selfie camera recording, so yeah, I'm recording in 4K. I think Oppo has done way better because the color of my clothing is almost perfect on Oppo. Vivo has a bit of a warm tone. Skin tone, Oppo has made me a bit darker. Vivo has gave me a bit reddish tint. Skin tone, okay, none is correct. Vivo has a warmer color tone. Oppo has cooler, saturated color tone. In terms of dynamic range, both are similar. Yeah, not much of a difference. So when it comes to stabilization, which one is better? Let's check that. Let's do a 50-meter sprint. So, wow, look at that. Here, can you see this? It's blown. Oppo has a better blend. Is the sky that blue? Or check this. Yeah, Vivo has added a bit of a blue tint to the sky, but Oppo has totally blown it away. In low light conditions, using night mode, both the Oppo Find X8 Pro and Vivo X200 Pro deliver impressive performances, capturing substantial detail with effective exposure management. Their noise reduction algorithms function similarly well, resulting in minimal grain, and both adeptly handle shadows and highlights with solid consistency. However, some differences stand out. Vivo's J-T-coated lens and V3 Plus ISP occasionally struggle with accurate color rendering, leading to slight deviations in color accuracy. Conversely, Oppo's Hasselblad color calibration generally provides vibrant and precise colors, but may infrequently encounter challenges with shadows and highlights, affecting the overall balance of the image in some situations. Ultimately, the choice comes down to personal preference. Vivo's natural, warmer output may appeal to those preferring a more subdued aesthetic, while Oppo's vivid output caters to those who prefer brighter, more colorful visuals. Both phones deliver excellent results in low light photography, making it difficult to choose a definitive winner between the two. In low light ultra wide shots, both Oppo Find X8 Pro and Vivo X200 Pro have captured significant amounts of detail. Exposure has been well balanced, and both handle noise reduction effectively, keeping the images clean and clear. The consistency in managing shadows and highlights is evident across both phones. While differences are present, they are more about personal preference than performance gap. Vivo offers a slightly deeper, more contrast-rich look in some shots, while Oppo provides some more natural and balanced representation. Overall, both phones have delivered strong, reliable results in low-light ultra-wide photography, making it hard to choose a clear winner. Well, time for low-light zoom photos. But I have a question for you. Have you ever taken a ride on a roller coaster? That's exactly how the zoom performance feels with these two phones. Both Oppo Find X8 Pro and Vivo X200 Pro grab a remarkable amount of detail across various zoom ranges. Sometimes Vivo delivers a stunning 7 times zoom shot, and then Oppo surprises with an outstanding 10 times zoom photo. It's back and forth. In one scene, Vivo captures more detail, and in another, Oppo delivers sharper, well-processed textures. Both phones maintain a very high detail level, with noise reduction working similarly well, outperforming other flagships. Oppo occasionally shows better shadow and highlight control, but Vivo sometimes provides higher contrast. Vivo X200 Pro and Oppo Find X8 Pro deliver strong performance in zoom shots, with results varying depending on the scene and lighting conditions. While their performance may shift in different scenarios, They still outshine almost all the other flagships. Whether it's Vivo at 15 times or Oppo at 10 times, they both perform admirably, making it hard to declare a clear winner. It really comes down to personal preference. Well, from low light nighttime zoom to bright light daytime zoom. Okay, one more time. Both Oppo Find X8 Pro and Vivo X200 Pro capture impressive details across zoom ranges. Vivo sometimes offers sharper textures and stronger contrast, while Oppo delivers a more vibrant and polished look. Vivo excels in the 10 times to 15 times zoom range, while Oppo performs better in the 3 to 10 times zoom range. Both phones handle long zoom shots well, with only minor differences that come down to preference. Oppo tends to add a vibrant touch to colors, while Vivo maintains a more natural, contrasty feel. When it comes to quality, details, textures, and shadows, both have performed exceptionally. Okay, whether you prefer Oppo's stylistic rendition or Vivo's contrasty vibe, you won't regret either choice. Under bright conditions, the main sensors of the Oppo Find X8 Pro and Vivo X200 Pro produce fantastic results. Both capture sharp details with excellent clarity, and their handling of shadows is commendable. Oppo's images pop with vibrant, lively colors, offering a more playful and bold aesthetic. In contrast, Vivo delivers a more refined, contrast driven look with natural tones, appealing to those who prefer realism. The dynamic range is handled well by both phones, but sometimes I feel Oppo has a better, wider dynamic range. Anyway, both have managed to keep the highlights and shadows in check, though personal preference for color style may determine which one you prefer. Drop a comment below. Do you lean toward Oppo's vibrant photos or Vivo's contrast-rich shots? For ultra-wide shots, both phones maintain a high level of detail and control over distortion at the edges. Oppo continues its signature punchy colors, while Vivo opts for a more subtle, balanced approach. Both phones handle wide landscapes impressively, making it a close call depending on your taste. Since these are top flagship phones, we put their stabilization to the test by shaking them harshly during recording. Both Oppo Find X8 Pro and Vivo X200 Pro handled it impressively well, maintaining smooth footage without significant jitter. The color rendition on both is similar and top-notch. Filmed on a cloudy day just before sunset with lighting that was neither too bright nor too dark, both phones performed brilliantly. I'm genuinely impressed by how they outperformed even the iPhone and Samsung in the test, while another flagship, the Magic Something Pro, completely failed. Despite the challenging conditions, both phones retained plenty of detail and kept the image sharp. Oppo leaned into vibrant colors, while Vivo maintained a natural, balanced tone. Both handled dynamic range and shadows exceptionally well. Their stabilization, paired with sharp 4K video, makes both phones reliable for everyday use, even in challenging situations. Indoor environments are challenging for most flagships, often struggling with dynamic range, exposure, and shadow details. However, Oppo Find X8 Pro brings noticeable improvement. It delivers consistent performance with excellent brightness and contrast balance, spot-on exposure, and true-to-life color tones. Shadows are rich in detail without blowing out the subject, while Vivo X100 Ultra improved after software updates and Vivo X200 Pro is performing even better than the X100 Ultra. Oppo Find X8 Pro stands out. Its indoor performance feels reliable and impressive, making it one of the best choices for those looking for consistency and quality in low light conditions. Okay, finally, it's time for nighttime 4K 60 frames per second video clips. I've been working long hours to put this video together, so I will take a break. Enjoy the video clips from the Oppo Find X8 Pro and Vivo X200 Pro. Also, after watching this video, drop your verdict in the comments section. Which phone do you think performed better overall? Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
We're running round in circles. Love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing. I will always hold you down. Your heart will be kept safe and sound. But I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. You're the picture perfect, you're on my mind.
Well, after watching through this video, what do you think? Which of these two smartphones have won the battle? Do you prefer this Vivo X200 Pro or this Oppo Find X8 Pro? Which one do you prefer? Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section. I will wait for your comments. And yeah, if you have a request for some other camera comparison videos like Oppo Find X8 Pro versus Google Pixel 9 Pro XL or something, please request in the comments section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.